Hello everyone and welcome to my CVPR presentation. Today I will be presenting our paper, FILTR, Extracting Topological Features from Pre-trained 3D Models, which is accepted as an oral presentation. Today we are going to explore how we can bridge the gap between modern 3D point cloud encoders and topological data analysis. First, why does topology matter? In many real-world applications ranging from material science to the study of dynamical systems and robotic manipulation, topological invariants have been shown to be highly informative for characterizing the shape of complex data. A standard way to measure these topological features is through persistent homology. This produces persistence diagrams, which provide a multi-scale description of the underlying topology of a shape, tracking how topological features like connected components and holes are born and die across different scales. Recent transformer-based 3D point cloud encoders are incredibly powerful, but we wanted to ask a fundamental question. Do pre-trained encoders actually understand topology? To quantify this, we introduced Donut, a data set of manifold structures. Donut consists of nearly 30,000 synthetic 3D meshes. It features perfectly balanced topological annotations. Specifically, it labels the number of connected components and the total genus of the shapes. We first tested these encoders by probing their frozen features to predict the global labels from the Donut dataset. Our probing results showed that existing encoders retain only limited global topological signals. As you can see, their performance across models like point GPT, point MAE, and point BERT is only marginally better than a PointNet baseline trained entirely from scratch. However, global labels don't tell the whole story. We also looked at feature space similarity. We used centered kernel alignment to evaluate how well the encoder representations align with vectorizations of persistence diagrams, such as ATOL and TOP 128 most persistent pairs. Here, we found consistent alignment, suggesting that while they lack global topological understanding, the transformers preserve local geometric structures that act as useful topological signals. Motivated by this, we developed a way to predict persistence diagrams directly. We introduce FILTR, the filtration transformer. FILTR treats diagram generation as a set prediction task by adapting a DTAR-like transformer decoder. It takes patch embeddings and positional embeddings from a frozen pre-trained 3D encoder. These condition the decoder through cross-attention against a set of learned query embeddings. The model then predicts both the coordinates of the persistence pairs and an existence probability to filter out topological noise. To train FILTR, we use a custom set prediction loss. The loss consists of three main components. This balances a reconstruction loss via Hungarian matching, a binary cross-entropy loss for the existence of pairs, and a diagonal regularizer that pushes unmatched predictions safely to the diagonal. Looking at our results across Donut, ModelNet 40, and the ABC dataset, FILTR successfully leverages frozen encoder features to approximate persistence diagrams. It achieves competitive 2 Wasserstein distances compared to end-to-end baselines like DGCNN. Crucially, by relying on a pre-trained encoder, our method shows strong generalization capabilities to unseen data distributions. Qualitative results further demonstrate the ability of FILTR to predict persistence diagrams from data distributions unseen during training. To summarize our three key contributions, we introduced Donut, a novel dataset for topological evaluation. We provided the first rigorous study quantifying topological information in pre-trained point cloud encoders. We proposed FILTR, the first feed-forward framework to predict persistence diagrams. Thank you, and please scan the QR code to visit our project page.